Hey there, and welcome to Debt Helper. We're right here in the heart of West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm looking forward to showing you around behind the scenes. If you come on over here, you'll see our first-time homebuyer department. This is where we help individuals get on track to purchase their first home. Our IT department, operations, and where we proudly display our nationwide licenses and certifications. Back this way is the front lines of our company, customer service. They'll be helping you if you call in and have any questions. And behind me are Counselors Row, where we have certified housing counselors to help with programs such as reverse mortgages. And since we're a 501c3 nonprofit, most of the services we offer are either free or at a low cost. Moving right along, I'm going to show you our Debt Management Program Department, also known as DMP. And this is where we've helped over 15,000 families get out of credit card debt. We also assist with student loan consolidation. There's still more to see. So right through this doorway here, we have two more departments. The first being our billing, which handles all incoming and outgoing payments. And the second is my personal favorite, Trusted Partner, also known as Outreach. And this is where we get the word out about what we do here to the community and nationwide. Hey guys, more to see. Another great part of our office, the conference room. This is where we host our first-time homebuyer workshops and financial education seminars. And down this hallway here is where our employees go to recharge, the kitchen. That could be over lunch or a game of basketball. Well, everybody, that concludes our tour. For more information about Debt Helper, just visit us at our website, www.DebtHelper.com.